How to fix Discord not opening on PC. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If the Discord app is not opening on your PC, there are some things you can do to fix this issue. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected with a stable internet. If internet is not the problem, then you want to head over to the next step. Next thing you want to do is press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Once you have opened Task Manager on your PC or laptop, you want to click on the Processes tab. Here, you want to find the Discord app. Now right click on it and click on the End Task option. After this, you want to try opening Discord again. If that doesn't work, next thing you want to do is right click on the Discord shortcut and then select Run as Administrator. Next thing you want to do is clear the Discord cache. For this, you want to press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Now you want to type %app data % and hit enter. Now find the Discord folder, right click on it and click on the delete option. Then you want to restart Discord. If that doesn't work, you want to update your Discord app to the latest version. You can also reinstall the application and check if that fixes your problem. And these are some way to fix if Discord is not opening in your PC. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.